In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pre-fill documents in Pandadoc. Pre-filling is useful when you want certain details to already be filled in before you send a document out. For example, you might want your own information to appear automatically, so you do not have to type it each time. The key idea is that the fields you assign to the sender can be completed by you in advance, so the document is more polished and faster to send. To begin, open the template or document you want to work with in Pandadoc. Make sure you are in the editor where you can place and edit fields on the page. Once the document is open, look to the right sidebar where the available content and fields are listed. From that right sidebar, drag a text field onto the page. Place it exactly where you want the information to appear. Take a moment to position it neatly and align it with any surrounding text or layout elements. Clean placement here helps your final document look professional. Next, click directly on the field you just added. In the field settings, find the Assign to dropdown. Open that dropdown and select Sender. This assignment is what tells Pandadoc that the sender, meaning you, is responsible for completing this field before the document goes out. Now click into the text field itself and type your information directly into it. Enter only what you want to be pre-filled every time for this document or template. Keep formatting consistent with the rest of the page so it blends in naturally. If there is more information you want to pre-fill, repeat the same process. Drag additional fields from the right sidebar, place them where they belong. Click each field, set Assign to Sender, and type the appropriate details. You can add as many of these fields as needed, as long as they match the information you want ready before sending. When you are finished adding and completing your pre-filled fields, go to the top right and click Send. This moves you into the sending process with your sender-assigned fields already completed. That covers everything you need to know.